This is Dr. James with HelpMommy.com, and in my office and online, I get lots of parents that say that their kid is wheezing, and should they be concerned? And maybe they went to the doctor and the doctor said it was normal. So I want to teach you the difference between the two sounds, because there's one sound that people will say is wheezing, and then there's real wheezing. So if you're hearing a sound that sounds very congested sounding when they breathe, it's going to sound like very phlegmy. That's mucus in the back of their throat, or maybe even spit, slobber if they're drooling, like when they're teething. That's completely normal. It can happen when they're teething. It can happen because of congestion from running air conditioners or heaters. It can happen because they have some a cold and have some mucus in the back of their throat. It can even happen if they have some milk in the back of their throat. Compared to wheezing, which is going to be very musical, and it's going to be like this. And that's the sound that we're going to worry about when we have bronchiolitis with RSV, or when we're wheezing with asthma. And both of those can be concerning. One, what the underlying cause is, and two, do we need to treat it? Now here's another wheezing sound that it's not unusual for us to hear as we're going into the fall months with croup. It's going to be kind of the wheeze, but backwards. It's going to happen when they breathe in. It's going to sound like this. And that sound is stridor. Now all babies can have stridor if they take a deep breath in fast enough. But if they do this and they have a very barking sounding cough that sounds like a barking seal, it's mainly going to happen at night, and it's going to happen with each breath, and you just hear them. They're going to be very scared. It's going to scare you, and that is something that we need to take care of right away. So the videos on how to take care of each one of them would happen later. But as far as the sounds, congestion, wheeze, stridor. So I hope that helps you.